Hello everyone. I am Professor Ganesh Ramakrishnan from the Department of Computer Science and Engineering, IIT Bombay. I work in the area of artificial intelligence and machine learning. My specific research interests are in the incorporation of human domain knowledge into machine learning processes, human in the loop AI, and data efficient machine learning. I'm interested specifically in use of machine learning in resource constrained operational environment. I've also specifically worked in the areas of machine learning in the text domain and multimodal data analytics. Improving healthcare is one of the biggest priority worldwide, including India. It is globally recognized that availability of high care healthcare information at the point of care and the ability to provide good decision support for healthcare informatics has a profound impact on the quality of care and efficiency of healthcare delivery. Thus, there is a substantial focus worldwide on enhanced healthcare informatics, and there has been massive investment in this space at an unprecedented scale. The healthcare informatics market worldwide is estimated to be over 125 billion US dollars, and it's growing at 8 to 10% per year. Now, for healthcare informatics to fructify completely, you need cross-functional expertise. You need computer science, you need bioinformatics, you need statistics, you need AI/ML, you need ethics, and you need medical science to make sense of all the analytics. IIT Bombay is uniquely positioned to become an enabler in this space in healthcare informatics because it has faculty with expertise across all these disciplines. Not only that, our faculty have also achieved international recognition in their respective areas, publishing in top-notch venues with highly cited publications. Therefore, the program very unique proposition from IIT Bombay. Some possible broad areas that we plan to begin with. The first is healthcare informatics, data collection and management. In fact, we'll be floating a course called Clinical Data Management to facilitate understanding of the space. Once you have the data, then you can subject it to analytics and processing. That's the second component. Clinical data analytics, design of experiments, disease surveillance, medical image processing as an example of use of AI/ML, bringing human into the loop and doing effective and data efficient machine learning. A very important third topic would be clinical application and medical devices. There is also a need to understand how the data that gets ingested from different devices can be consumed. Also, sufficient knowledge of medical devices and clinical applications thereof are going to be important. So we have faculty members who work on biological instrumentation, data interoperability, biological instrumentation. So that will be third wing, and with complete focus on healthcare informatics in conjunction with medical devices. A final topic is computational biology and bioinformatics with focus on healthcare informatics. There are also going to be elements of bioengineering. Any student is interested and who's primed in one or more of these areas or has an interest in working in these areas by building on background information that the student already has, she or he has, should certainly consider doing an IEEE at the center. The dual degree projects will be largely spanning some of these areas that we have been talking about. I'll now request Professor Rinti Banerjee to take this discussion further.
Hi, I'm Professor Rinti Banerjee. I'm a chair professor here at the Department of Biosciences and Bioengineering at IIT Bombay. My primary research areas are in interdisciplinary technologies and innovations for healthcare, which involve drug delivery systems as well as point of care diagnostics and medical devices. I'm also here as a faculty of the proposed Center for Digital Health. And in this context, my interests are in public health informatics and the application of informatics and data analytics to drug development as well as pharmacovigilance. The unique features of the center as well as of the academic programs that we're offering are the applied and the interdisciplinary nature of the programs. This will give you a unique opportunity to fine-tune your informatics and data analytics skills, as well as gain a firm grounding in the area of healthcare and its related domains. This will give you an opportunity to learn about biomedical ethics, to have applications in healthcare, in the hospital system, as well as at the community level for public health informatics, and at the broadest sense for global health. This is seen by the fact that you will be taught by faculty from various departments and centers across the institute, ranging from biosciences and bioengineering, computer science, mathematics, electrical engineering, as well as humanities departments. In addition, there'll be the opportunity to gain exposure to real life problems by interactions with top clinicians and public health specialists from nearby hospitals.
Hi, everyone. I am Shuli Mukhopadhyay, an associate professor at the Department of Mathematics. I am also a faculty member at the new center, that is the Center of Digital Health. To say a little bit about myself, I work in statistical modeling, designing of experiments on disease progression models, setting up disease surveillance and epidemiological models. So in this program, IEEE program, we have 5 new courses. So the first one is a core course. It's called the Introduction to Public Health Informatics, and it will teach students about introduction to public health informatics, biomedical informatics, and also will include topics on ethics in biomedical and health informatics. Other than this core course, we also have 4 other courses. The first one is a course on basic epidemiology. Then we'll have a course on clinical data management, on healthcare performance matrix, and the last one is on health economics. According to the IEEE norms of IIT Bombay, any undergraduate student pursuing a BTech, BS or a DD degree, they can apply for this program. They just need to have a CPI which is greater than 7.5 at the end of their 6th semester. And these students who will be admitted, they would have to complete a DD project in this program. About the course curriculum, so we already have heard about the core course, which is Introduction to Public Health Informatics, and this has to be completed by 7th or 8th semester. Now 3 more PG level elective courses would have to be completed by the students, and the students will be able to choose these 3 PG level courses from 3 groups of courses or 3 baskets of courses. And these groups are called, the first group is Healthcare Standards, Clinical Applications and Healthcare Foundation. Group 2 will consist of courses on Healthcare Analytics, and Group 3 will have courses on Health Systems and Policy and Ethics. Now this master's degree offered by this new Center of Digital Health, this would be offered without honors, as students would be completing only 4 PG level courses. For the first academic year, which is 21 to 22, we have planned to admit 8 students in the Institute TA category and 22 students in the RAP category. So in total, we will be admitting 30 IEEE students.
Overall, the programs on healthcare informatics are a unique opportunity for an interdisciplinary skill set that you will learn and which you can apply in real-world problems. And it's an opportunity for you to contribute and make an impact in the complex and ever-growing domain of healthcare informatics and data-driven healthcare. And we are very excited to bring these programs to you. In case of any questions regarding the same, please feel free to contact any of the members of this team. Thank you.